Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the digital clamp meter. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. If you're in search of a reliable clamp meter that delivers precision, power, and ease of use, the UNIT UT206B digital clamp meter might just be the perfect fit. Designed for both professional electricians and industrial technicians, this device offers an impressive range of features tailored for modern diagnostic and maintenance tasks. Product features: comprehensive measurement capabilities. The UT206B can measure AC/DC current up to 1000 A, voltage, resistance, continuity, and diodes. The true RMS functionality ensures accurate readings even when measuring distorted or non-sinusoidal waveforms, a crucial feature for analyzing modern electronic equipment. High-precision temperature measurement. With a resolution of 0.1 C, it supports highly accurate temperature monitoring, making it useful in HVAC, automotive, and industrial applications. Extended current measurement range. One of its standout features is the included flexible current probe, which expands AC current measurement capabilities to a staggering 3000 A, ideal for heavy-duty and industrial-scale operations. User-friendly enhancements. Large backlit LCD display, readings are clearly visible even in low-light settings. Integrated flashlight, makes it easy to work in dark or tight areas. Data hold function, lets you freeze the current reading for easier recording or review. Max-a-minute relative modes, helps track reading changes, aiding in diagnostics and analysis. High safety ratings. Built for demanding environments, the UT206B complies with Cat 3 1000V and Cat 4 600V safety standards. CE and ETL certifications add a layer of professional credibility and safety assurance. Pros: true RMS for accuracy on complex waveforms. Flexible probe supports up to 3000 AAC, ideal for industrial settings. Temperature measurement with fine 0.1 C resolution. Bright, backlit display and built-in flashlight improve usability in the field. Multiple measurement modes enhance diagnostic efficiency. Excellent safety certifications. Cons: slightly bulky due to extended probe and additional features. Higher price point compared to basic clamp meters. Learning curve for beginners unfamiliar with advanced modes. Final thoughts. The UNIT UT206B digital clamp meter is a feature-rich, professional-grade tool designed for serious electrical diagnostics. With its high current range, precise temperature measurement, and true RMS capability, it's especially suited for industrial applications and professionals who need reliable and safe performance in demanding environments. While it may be overkill for hobbyists or basic home use, for seasoned users, the UT206B is an investment worth making. Check the price link in the description, and subscribe to Tech Product for more video.